Hello, my friends. My name is Sarah. I'm a mom. This is my husband, Daniel. We have 2 children, Anna and Paul. Today is Sunday, a special family day. You can listen to us and learn English with our story. It's simple, real, and fun. Sunday morning begins with soft light. Our children, Anna and Paul, are still asleep. They look so calm, but the day is waiting. We open the curtains. Bright sun fills the room. A bright sun. Yes, a bright, beautiful sun. Time to wake them up. We touch their shoulders and whisper, "Good morning." They move slowly, still sleepy, but soon they sit up. Sunday has started. Brushing teeth is always the first step. Brush, brush, brush. Small faces in the mirror, white bubbles around their mouths. They laugh a little. Bubbles. Yes, white bubbles. Healthy teeth. Fresh breath, every day, every morning. When they finish, we smile and clap softly. Good job! Well done, we say. Breakfast is simple. Toast for Anna, toast with strawberry jam, cereal for Paul, cereal with cold milk, sweet toast. Yes, sweet toast with jam. Cold milk, crunchy cereal, cold, fresh milk. We eat together slowly, happily. A family breakfast, warm and quiet. Anna puts on her jacket, small arms, a bright smile. Paul struggles with his shoelaces, long shoelaces. Soon we are done, ready to go out. On the way, we see flowers, yellow flowers by the fence, beautiful flowers. A big brown dog runs across the street. The children point at it, their eyes wide. Dog! Yes, a big dog. Run, run, run! The dog goes fast. Birds sing in the trees. The street is calm. Anna loves the swing. She moves back and forth, hair in the wind. Paul climbs the stairs to the slide. He goes up, then down, again and again. After the park, we get into the car. Anna and Paul sit in the back. They are quiet for a moment, then smile when music starts. Soft music. Yes, a happy song. The shopping mall is bright and busy. Lights shine. Shops are open. People walk everywhere. The children look around, eyes wide. But first, we think of food. It's almost lunch. We walk upstairs to the food court. The food court is full of choices. Pizza, burgers, noodles. But we choose something simple, something healthy, rice with vegetables. We eat slowly, we talk a little. Healthy food makes a strong body. Now it's time for the movie, a family movie, safe and fun. We buy tickets and stand in line. Many families are waiting too. We buy popcorn, warm popcorn, crunchy and salty. The smell of popcorn is everywhere. The children hold their small boxes. We walk into the dark room. The big screen shines. Music begins. Pictures move. The story starts. Paul holds his popcorn tight. After watching the movie, we return home. The house is calm. I cut apples, bananas, and soft bread. I pour warm milk into 2 small cups. Simple food, light food. Anna, Paul, come here, I call softly. They sit down quietly. Apples are sweet. Bananas are soft. Bread with butter melts in the mouth. They eat slowly. They drink milk, warm milk, gentle milk. Snack time is short but happy. After eating, we sit on the carpet. The children play. Blocks go up. Towers rise. Then towers fall. We smile. We watch. The evening is soft. Then we say, clean up. Clean up. Small hands pick up toys. Slowly. Carefully. One by one, blocks go into a box. Dolls go on the shelf. Cars line up. The floor is clear again. A clean room. Story time begins. I open a book with colors and animals. We sit close on the bed. The children lie under blankets. I read slowly, page by page, word by word. Small eyes follow the pictures. They blink slowly. And soon our children also close their eyes. I tuck the blanket around their shoulders. The children breathe softly. They sleep. We sit together, side by side. The day is finished. From morning to night, we were with them. Park, lunch, movie, evening at home. A full day, a family day, a Sunday to remember. I smile. I whisper, thank you for today. I nod. Yes. Thank you, my friends. This was our Sunday. A day with family from morning to night. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned some English words with us. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Please like, share, and subscribe, and write a comment to tell us about your Sunday. See you next time.